Did that pad thai totally rock your world? Or was that burger a bust? Let's get your opinion heard. First things first, fire up that Uber Eats app and tap on the Orders tab at the bottom of your screen. This is where all your delicious delivery history lives. Now, scroll through the list and find the order you want to review. Tap on it to open up the order details. Alright, scroll down until you see the magic words rate order. It's usually located near the bottom of the order details. See those little thumbs up and thumbs down icons? Tap the one that best reflects your overall experience with the order. Now, let's rate the restaurant. Tap on the stars to give them a rating from 1 to 5 stars. 1 star means, oh, big problems, and 5 stars means foodie heaven. Next, you'll see the option to add a tip to the driver. You can give them some extra love for getting your food to you fast and fresh. Time to rate your driver. Just like with the restaurant, use the star system to show your appreciation for their service. Want to elaborate? Tap on the leave a comment for the restaurant section and type out your thoughts. Was the food amazing? Was the order correct? Let them know. You can also leave a comment for the driver to give them props for their awesome driving. Last but not least, hit that submit button to finalize your review. Your feedback is super valuable for the restaurant, the driver, and the entire Uber Eats community. You're done. Thanks for helping make Uber Eats better for everyone.